Japan's double disaster. Its strongest earthquake on record creates a devastating 30-foot tsunami. Raging waters surged across the land, tearing down buildings, carrying debris and people at terrifying speed. The powerful quake struck mid-afternoon local time, causing panic in packed offices. Tonight, whole towns are still ablaze, oil installations on fire, and a nuclear power plant threatened with meltdown.
This is the ITV News at 6:30 with Alastair Stewart and Andrea Benfield.
Early reports put the number killed in the hundreds, but many, many more are missing. The true human cost of this disaster has yet to emerge. Britain and the rest of the world stand ready to help in the search and rescue operation that will follow.
In other news, father in the dock, Christopher Grady tells a court about the moment he drove his children into a river.
And mourning a soldier's son, Lance Corporal Stephen McKee killed in Afghanistan.
Good evening. Nature unleashed its fearsome power on the people of Japan today in a double disaster that's caused massive damage. Early this morning, a huge earthquake under the sea, the seventh most powerful ever recorded, caused destruction and panic across the country.
But worse was to come, a devastating tsunami triggered by the quake that has obliterated communities, washing away homes, businesses and cars, and taking an unknown number of lives. The earthquake, 8,000 times more powerful than the recent one in Christchurch, was centered off Japan's northeast coast near the city of Sendai.